Alright guys, what's going on? This is just a quick tutorial for those that have purchased the RTD scanner. Right now I have LUND as my tuner, so basically when you purchase this guy, it's gonna come with I believe mine came with 2 unlocks. And they ended up giving me a flex fuel tune, a 93/91 tune, a coast cam tune, along with a specific E85 tune. So if you guys don't know how to operate the HP Tuners application, LUND will send you instructions on how to do so. Just follow those to the T, especially when you do get your tunes. They will have instructions and guides and the links below, or I think it's, well, depending on where they post it in the message. But basically this is all the RTD scanner comes with. Is just this little guy right here, the scanner itself, which plugs into your OBD2 port, which is on the left hand side. I know you can't see, but it's right there on the left hand side, right by your secret compartment, directly down. And it comes with a USB stick, just in case you need to keep your tunes on you for whatever reason. But other than that, it's pretty much just plug and play. Go ahead, connect this into your laptop. Hear the little buzzer go off, and plug this into your OBD2. There we go. And I'm just gonna demonstrate for you guys the ghost cam tune on it. So what you want to do is, when you do receive the message from your tuner, they're going to have files for you to download. So go ahead, download them, post them to your desktop, or create a file, and somewhere where you can find them. And these are all my tunes right there. So right now I'm going to go with the ghost cam tune. Basically just open it. Now for the ghost cam, from what I was told, you can only run E85 on it. So if you want to run 93, 91, I don't believe you can. I talked to the guy, he was like, no, this is specifically for E85. I was like, okay. And the next thing you want to do, next step, is to turn on your car. And close this door so I can turn off the light. Go ahead, power that on into the accessory. Do not start. And you'll have this little guy right here. It's going to say right to vehicle. Make sure that is the tune that you want. So right there, that's my cam, E85. And it's going to prompt you to this right here, that little screen. So you're gonna go to right. And it's gonna do its thing. It's gonna take a couple minutes. First is going to load up the bootloader, then it's going to erase the already file. It's going to erase the files that were already loaded into the car, as you can see right there. So it takes about a minute, but on average, when it does get to writing the tune, it's going to take about 3.5 minutes, which isn't too bad. And I'll show you guys the progress bar once it gets to the loading. And as you can see, it has started to write to it, so it's about 3.5 minutes. And once it gets finished up, I'll go ahead and proceed to the next steps for you guys. Okay, so now that your tune has finished loading, what you want to do is turn off your accessory, turn it completely off. Now they recommend you wait anywhere from 3 to 10 seconds. I'll just wait 10 seconds to get it installed. Now with the cam tune, people were saying that you can drive it. It acts just like a cam car. It's gonna surge, it's gonna want to cut out. So I'm not sure if you should or shouldn't, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it for you guys. Take it around the block, see the differences. So now what you want to do is turn on the ignition and then click OK. That's what it says right there. Then it's going to write to it, and right now it is complete. What you want to do is go ahead and close that bad boy out. Everything's going to come on. Go to gauge, so everything's already warmed up, as you can see. Now what you can do is go ahead and unplug thing right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Why am I getting cold right now? Stop. So we're gonna go. Hold on. Okay, so now that everything is already taken care of, you got your tune loaded into your car, you rode it to the vehicle successfully. Now the only thing is to put your foot on the brake and start. So at idle, that is when the car will start to lope. Let's see where we're at. As you can hear the phasers starting to do their job. And there she goes. Right now, the setup that I have on here is stock headers and Borla attack exhaust system from catalytic converters back. I am taking it to the shop to go ahead and get free-flowing long tube headers put on here. I have the 1050 injector dynamics on here with a 2018 ported intake manifold with a Roush cold air intake with a 105 millimeter opening. Pretty much dynamic diode lights, as you guys can see right there. L wire stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys listen to it. Tell me if you guys like that chop sound. I also have UMS drag pack wheels that are about to go on here. I just ordered the rear set tires. I'm still waiting on Lethal Performance to go ahead and give me an order number for it. Oh, she sounds so good. You guys can see dynamic diodes all the way through. Golly, this car is wild. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any issues with the tune setups or anything, contact your tuner first and see what they got to say and see if they can get you set up. And so far, I haven't had no issues with LUND. They've been very great with helping me on my tunes and stuff. Any questions or concerns that I have, they respond back promptly. And yeah, no problems with LUND or nothing, man. They're doing their job. You get what you pay for, guys. Remember that. But overall, she's running solid, as good as it can. But when I get home, I'm taking this tune off for the Ghost Cam. I'm just driving for one night. It's kind of annoying, the lurching and everything, but let me know if you guys like the chop sound of these Mustangs, and any questions or concerns, go ahead and hit me up. I'll try to respond to you guys as promptly as I can. And peace.